Okay, we started the day 0.7 miles, Starbucks, $5. Boom. Moving on. I have it. There was a lot of people in there, but cool. We have it. Boom. Be careful because it's liquids, and moving on. Here we are. First time delivering here, so with the Punisher is there. Cool. Okay. Here we are. Boom. Boom. Moving on. Right, $13 for 2 miles. Boom, let's do it. I need to turn around though. Ooh la la. Okay. Awesome. See you soon, guys. Right, good news. They had it ready. So he was waiting for me outside, so no need to take picture. Add note. Thank you for your business. Moving on. My phone. Okay. It took forever just for one simple coffee. Jesus. Okay, moving on. Okay, here we are. Okay.
The destination is on your left. 7009 Willoughby Avenue.
7009. Okay, Uber is requesting me for a new order. 2 miles for $7. No. Jesus. Too cheap. Uber right now. Okay, here we are. Alright. First time delivering here. I'm here around here all the time, but never delivered on this building before, on this house. Okay. Come on, cable. That's the only thing I hate about fucking charging the phone. That cable becomes a pain in the ass. So through that door. Cool. Alright. Moving on. Up $10 from 2 miles. It's not the best. That place is usually slow, but I'll take it. Let's take a risk. See you soon, guys. Hey man, for Jesse. Thank you. Have a good one. So I'm here and the customer is not ready. Have to call. But are arriving. 31. I think it's my first time delivering to this house. Although I know the street pretty well. 31. Cool. And here we are. We're doing some working, some construction. Cool. Done. Right. Done. Boom. Awesome. Moving on. Here we are. Zanku chicken. I love it. It doesn't seem busy, so they might have our order. Actually, I never have to wait here that long, so I like that. Okay, here we are. Oh, first time in here. I've never seen that giant warrior statue there. I don't know if you saw it. And here it is. Cool. Alright, that's the beauty of the scooter. We can basically drop to their door. So Vincent is this one. This big one. Good. Cool. Photo. And there we go with the photo. Moving on. Thank you. We are delivering. Perfect. We have arrived. Okay, found it. There we go. Alright, moving on. $20 for 2.8. Let's do it. Boom. Hello. Pick up for sure. No. Alright, arriving. Orange Grove. Okay, I think it is my first time in this building. Yeah. Ah, that was one of the houses. That's faster. Of course, it's a building and it will take longer. Oh, alright. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. See you soon. This is old school shit. It asked me to lift this thing and dial. Alright, let's wait. Alright, here we are. Okay. Cool. Have arrived. We have arrived. North Hayworth. This is a really fancy area. West Hollywood. Never been here. It's south of Melrose, so everything south of Melrose is really expensive and really nice. So let's see. Juice, coffee, nice, and some paper towel to dry this just in case a little. Boom. Let's put alarm. Perfect. See you soon, guys. We'll try to stop the elevator here so no one else uses it while I deliver. I hope there's no alarm. Alright, 3, 11. Should be. Come on. Why always the one they order from is the hardest to find? Jesus. Alright. Boom. And as you can see, elevator is waiting for me to the ground. See you soon, guys. Picked up the next order. Today's hot chicken. Cool. What's going on? Arriving. Here we are. Cool. I drive around here every single day. So, first time delivering here though. First. Okay. Delivery, that was a very tricky one. Because the house in the back, you can see from the street, so. Here we are. Second drop off for the chicken. Alright. This is tricky though. This is a tricky one. Looks like very old school. Yeah. Cool. Alright. 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 This and the milkshake here. What? Leave a door? Huh. Almost he put the wrong address, so well, I'm glad he has it now. My Starbucks, which was the next order. Moving on. Okay, arriving. Detroit Street, fancy. Just a few feet away from Melrose Avenue, West Hollywood at its best. And here we are. I think it's here. Yep. Cool. There's the Starbucks. Boom. Nice. Leave a door. Boom. Take photo. Boom. Awesome. Moving on. We complete the first quest of the day. Boom. Take it. $10 for 1.8 miles. Let's do it. See you soon. It's a miracle. They had both at the same time. When yesterday I had to wait like 15 minutes. Awesome. Okay, arriving to the second to last drop off of my morning. Okay. Here we are. Cool. Which one is it? Okay, see you soon, guys. Picture. Moving on. Here we are. Alright, moving on. And I have completed the first 15 deliveries today. And with that, I get $20 extra. Awesome. Okay, guys, see you soon. Just to show you, as you can see, 105. And it says here on my payments, $20 for 15 trip quest. Cool. So I made that in 2 hours and 30 minutes. All right, guys, see you soon. All right, guys, so all tips came. It's 131 with 89, as you can see, for 15 trips. You can check here. Finally, all my trips have the green thing because I have the tips. So now the 131 with 89 divided by 2.5 hours that I worked, boom, 52 the hour. Woo, almost 53. Yeah. So hit thumbs up, subscribe, money on wheels. Woo.